one of our favorite patients, longtime patients. We've been seeing her since she was a young lady, and very young lady. She's getting ready to go off to college. So there's a little stress involved with that, and she has some upper neck and mid-back stiffness. Take a deep breath in. Pull it all the way out. That's awesome. Good. Go ahead, wait. And we're going to go ahead and bend here. Turn your head to the right. Go turn your head to the left. Good. Go back to center. So hopefully, she's applying to colleges and universities. Hopefully she'll make it to UF. So students have a lot of stress these days, and we want to make sure we keep them nice and healthy because they are our future. Deep breath in. Calm out. Going back. Stretch out a little bit. Just tighten there, feel it? Put your hand on your shoulder, on your, yeah, there you go. And then you're gonna go ahead with your elbow, push it back into my hand. Nice. Nice and loud. Awesome, how does it feel?
It feels good.
Good, yeah. So if you're having any neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, any kind of pain, you need to come check us out and visit us, and especially if you're a Gator fan. But if not, we'll take you as well. No judgment here. All right, have a good one.